I tried Pinterest affiliate marketing with no money and I made $7,270, and as you can see in my balance over here it's showing $7,270 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money. In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how I did it. I'm gonna share with you my method that I use. You just need to copy and paste, and you should watch this video until the end if you want to learn how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing with $0. I'm not gonna sell you any courses or leave any links, any affiliate links in my description or anything like this. I will share with you just step by step my method that I use to promote affiliate links on Pinterest for free. You don't need to buy any courses, just watch this video, go and try this method and keep promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest, and you will earn commission like this. It's because it's really easy and simple. Okay, let's get started. What you will do first to join, you need to join Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Just go to Google and you will search for Fiverr like this. Okay, click on the first link over here and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you will come to this page and you will scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community, scroll down, click over here on affiliates. Okay, because they are really paying a lot of money guys. I'm gonna show you the commission plan so you can understand what I mean. Okay, so you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can click over here on join now. Before we do that, let me scroll down to show you commission plan. Click over here. If you click on see commission, they are really paying a lot of money. That's why I like Fiverr affiliates. As you can see over here, commission plan, if you scroll down, you can see over here that you can earn up to $150. If just one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. If you scroll down, you can see Fiverr CPA commission, $50 for those services for graphic and design, data science, mobile apps, $40 for those services. That's a lot of money. Just two people will buy this service about graphic and design from you, you will earn $100. That's really a lot of money. Okay, so what you will do to join Fiverr affiliate, just go back to this home page like this, click over here on join now, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. And as you can see, the sign up process to a Fiverr affiliate is really easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or not, that's fine. And you will choose your country. You will choose your language over here. And if you have Skype, you can use your Skype. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so it's really easy. So what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr home page. So you will have two accounts with Fiverr. Okay, you will have an account like this one with Fiverr, and you will have an account and Fiverr affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do next, like I said, go back to your first Fiverr affiliate account like this one. Okay, and now I'm gonna share with you one of my services that I was promoting on Pinterest to earn a lot of money. Okay, so click over here on the search and you're gonna search for logo design. Okay, like this service is profitable and this service is in graphic and design category, so you can earn a lot of money with this service. Okay, so search for logo design, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So like I said, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose good sellers like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click in your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, I think I'm gonna choose maybe this one, level 1. Okay, or I'm gonna choose this one. This one is better. Top rated seller, he has almost 5 star, a lot of reviews, and I'm gonna just click on his service. You just need to click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile homepage like this. Okay, and as you can see, people keep coming back. A lot of people are still buying this service, and as you can see over here, 64 orders in queue. That's a lot of orders. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy his profile link, just copy his profile link. Then what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. You will click over here on marketing tools and click over here on default and deep links, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. Click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so it's easy. So what you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So how you can do it, go to Google. If you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, go to Google, search for Pinterest like this. It's easy and simple. Okay, click over here on the first link, and you need just to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and make sure to open a business account, not personal account. You need Pinterest business account. Okay, so let me see. If we click over here, so you should have an account like this one. It's gonna take maybe a few seconds for this page to be updated. So anyway, so what you will do, you just need to click over here on home feed. Okay, and you will click on create pin. It's gonna take you to this page over here. What you will do, you will upload picture about your service that you want to promote. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr, and you will scroll down and you will click on his picture, and you need to upload this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna save this picture to my laptop so I can use it on Pinterest. Okay, I'm gonna name it logo, for example, and they will go back to Pinterest. Click over here, okay, and upload your picture. Upload this picture about your service. It should be like this. As you can see, what you will do next, you need to put here title, description, and your affiliate link. So let's start with the title. Just go back to this seller page on Fiverr, and you just need to copy his title like this. So just copy his title like this, description, go back to his profile page, scroll down, you should see about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I'm gonna copy this part. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link, and go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here. Okay, scroll down, click over here on choose a board. So if you are new, you need to create new board. Just click over here, create a board, and you just need to give it a name. It's really easy and simple, and you can create as many as you want. I already created those. I'm gonna show you this one. Scroll down. What you will do next, you just need to put here tags. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr. Keep scrolling down again. So just keep scrolling down until you find those. Okay, you should see related tags. Okay, so those are the keywords that you should use. Those are very important on Pinterest, so people can find this service on Pinterest. Make sure to use a lot of keyword. Okay, just use as many as you can. So the more keyword you will use, the more your pin will rank in the search result on Pinterest. Okay, people who are using Pinterest to search for logo design, they will find the service. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your Fiverr affiliate service on Pinterest. It's easy and simple. This will be your picture, this will be your Fiverr affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. So it's really easy and simple. Okay, so what you will do next, you just need to keep promoting a lot of services on Pinterest about graphic and design that are related to graphic and design, like logo design, maybe banners, templates, and so on. Okay, and make sure if you are using a new Pinterest account, post just like 3 to 5 posts per day. Okay, so your account will not get banned if you keep promoting a lot of services just in one single day. Your chance to get banned will be really high. Okay, so make sure to just try to upload like 3 to 5, like I said, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you are interested to get more services, profitable services that I was promoting on Pinterest to get commission, like I show you, leave it in the comments. If you are interested, I will share with you all services that I was promoting on Pinterest, and see you in my next video.